Hi guys, here is what we call the sliding sit-up. Sliding sit-up. It's a sit-up with a slide, okay? It's an exercise that we do a lot in martial arts, you know, to move and to, I will say, work the mobility, you know, like the locomotion and the core in the same time. So how we'll do it, it will be not this complicated. You will start from here, you know, like in a classic sit-up position, and you will just go down here, all the way down and touching the floor here with your hands. So the first step, you will come back up and just do a sit-up. Okay, classic, arriving here, totally like in a sitting position. On the second one, you will go back down here, all the way down, and you will extend your legs, okay, for the sit-ups. And when you will arrive here up, you will pull here on your heels to arrive here all the way up and moving forward. So again, one here, up, and on the second one, extend your legs, pull, and arrive here. Okay? One normal, and here pulling. And now, I will let you play with that.